Hello Simpi. Hi, in today's session. Today, as we have discussed about personal finance, let me quickly ask you, what is personal finance for you?
Firstly, Neha, thank you for giving me this opportunity that I became a part of this your discussion. So, as you have raised a question of personal finance, so I would like to discuss my views. So, finance is not a short word. It is a wider word. It includes so many things. Like it includes saving, investments. It's actually a way managing your finances, your funds. That how you'll be able to manage your funds in a good way, in a proper way. That how you'll be doing some savings, some investments, that everything should be balanced in your life. That how that let me explain you with certain example.
Exactly,
Like
which I really want to share you that we want some experience, some example from your end that how you manage your personal finance.
okay, yeah, sure, I would love to. Let me tell you, like if I'm earning like 20,000 per month, like right, and I want to buy a laptop next month, like right, and if I'll be not doing any personal finance management, I will not be able to buy anything because
Exactly.
what the thing is that if a person is earning and he so many things is coming in his way or her way, that this is the thing I want to buy, this is the place I want to go, these are the expenditures which are looking he would look at, that these are all I want to do. But the thing is that nobody can fulfill everything in a spot. It's actually whether he is a poor person or a rich person, the criteria is same for everyone. If it is a
Exactly.
poor, then he will definitely depend upon the necessities first. And if it is a rich person, he would definitely have some. Definitely, he would be having certain demands or certain wishes that I want to buy some luxurious car or luxurious jewelry. As a woman, you see a woman spend a lot of their money in the
Definitely in
luxurious
shopping. Yeah, yeah.
jewelries or diamonds in shopping.
From
So,
the person when he is, sorry for interruption, Simpy,
mhm, yes,
when a person started earning, from the
yes,
day when he started earning, not even he received his salary, expenditure
uh-huh.
started. Like
Yes, yes.
he plans to buy this. Although
Yes,
salary is not yet credited in his or her account, but expenditure list is ready.
right. And whenever you write, Neha, I just very nice. You have said that his expenditure list is already ready. And
Ready.
now what you have to do is, when your expenditure list is ready, just sort out the things that what you have. Put the necessities at the top, and then the normal things that you can ignore.
Avoid.
Also,
Yeah, you
you
can
are
avoid
bad.
that. Hmm.
You and put the last at the option which you can avoid totally. Put that at last. You have
Right.
to, like, you have make a list of 10 things. Now you need to think that which are, like, if I'm earning like 20,000, or you are earning something, then you would definitely put the medicines at the top,
Definitely.
because
Definitely.
that can be ignored.
Right.
And then you can put out like if you're spending 20% on your, or 10% on your medicines, yeah, 5% on your medicines, then put out that 95% where you have to spend. Then again, then out the 100%, let's say if your target is I want to save 20% every month,
Okay.
then make a ratio that how much you can save happily.
Yeah.
Happily, you need to save. There is a
Need to
need,
say.
because if you want to buy something in the next month, if you won't save, then you won't buy.
Right.
You
Right.
won't buy, because you can't
So
spend your
financial
total
planning is
salary or total
completely
salary.
very important for personal
Yes,
finance. In a sum
yes.
up, if I can say your views, so financial planning is very much important to manage your personal finance.
Very
Thank you so
important.
much. That's a valuable views you have presented. So let me quickly ask you the next question, that how you can develop a saving habits. So what you will guide for the age group of 18 to 25 people?
Okay, okay. Saving habits for 18 to 25 group. Yeah, very nice question. Firstly, I would like to thank you for this question because this is a very important question for the young generation. So,
Right.
18 to 25 group is like the youngsters group, na? So they just spend without using their brain. This is
Exactly.
actually whatever
What they
happens
get,
to most
they
of
used
them.
to spend 100% plus borrowing and also spending that
Right.
also.
Right,
Exactly.
right, absolutely. And what they need is they need to change their mindset. And how we can do this? That whatever they are earning or they are getting pocket money from the parents, so they feel good. They feel very good in spending that income lavishly in restaurants, or they once they started actually what the thing is that where is the problem? The problem is they need to spend their time in a good way. They need to enjoy their time. They need to they want to spend their extra time in a best utilized way. And
Exactly.
what they do, that they don't think deeply, and they just went on to restaurants or some places, and then they start enjoying that places. And they started looking at some they started enjoying, and they put into some bad culture with that also. If you go to some restaurants or some bars also, then what's the atmosphere you will be seeing there?
Maximum
You know,
majority is youngsters. Yeah. College
youngsters,
going
and
students or even school going students.
some they started taking some bad things also. Whatever they will see, they will follow.
They will follow,
Whatever
right?
they will see, and they will follow. And the
Maximum,
thing is,
sorry for interruption, Simpi, maximum influence is created by social media. Whatever they are looking at social media,
yeah, of course,
they are following the same. They're following the superstars, they're following the
same.
YouTube stars, they're following the same what they are looking for. They are thinking that this make their life will be better. But at the end, what will happen? It's in front of all.
So they need to see the effect of everything. What will be the result effect of everything? What will be the resultant? That is, if they need to psychologically think, psychologically mold out their mindset. If what they can shift on, rather they should shift on to some good things, like start reading. If they have extra time, start reading the
Yeah,
books.
purchase some
Start
books,
cooking.
having some books. It's also a good expenditure. You can spend your money to purchasing a books.
Right, right. And if then we can cook the food in their extra time, instead of going outside. Rather, they should call their friends at home, and they should make us some idea to cook together, or
Definitely,
gather some
definitely.
friends at home instead of going out. So there are so many ways they how they can cut down their extra expenditure, and rather utilizing it in some proper way, by just changing their mindset, by just molding their uh, uh, unright or a bad mindset to the good mindset, by reading, or by cooking, or by maintaining, by doing exercises. They just want the time utilization, best time. If they will be shifting to these things, obviously they would not look out the other thing.
Other
They would
things,
not
right?
go for
Because they will
some
get
other.
engaged in all this. Definitely, they will not take the bad habits, bad environment in their personal life.
uh, So this is, I think, a big change they can, how they can raise out their standard of living by saving. Now then, what happen? What is the effect? Their saving would start. If they are spending 2 hours in restaurant by spending a lot of money, and actually spoiling their health, eating junk
Exactly, exactly.
weekly, or weekly of what, every 15 days. So what actually it so this is a income earned. If you are not spending that 2 hours in a restaurant, and rather sitting at home and cooking with your friends, and this is actually their income earned,
Yeah,
because they have saved that pocket money.
definitely, definitely. Thank you so much for your valuable views, Simbi. So we'll definitely meet you in next session very soon and wish you a very best for your next upcoming videos and future. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a nice
Thank
day.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Neha, so much to be a part of your discussion.
Always my pleasure. Always my pleasure. Thank
Thank
you.
you. My pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye. Take care.